Hey guys, Gracie here. Today we're going to talk all about decorating with houseplants. Houseplants have so many benefits. They clean the air, help keep you healthy, and are great for adding some natural elements to your indoor spaces. Decorating with houseplants is a really fun way to add texture, color, and vertical interest to your indoor decor. The entryway is a great place to show off your style, and the first place guests will see when they walk in the door. The fiddle leaf fig boasts rich, glossy green foliage and basically looks like a piece of art on its own, making it a great option for this space. Try a whimsical and fun pot to draw the eye. And if you have a cozy, sunny spot in your foyer, the monstera would be a great fit. A smaller one would even make a great tabletop plant. I love my monstera here. It has the most beautiful leaves. Now the kitchen really is the heart of the home. From entertaining to gathering with family, this is where it all happens. So practical and functional plants are important here. The English ivy is a great option because it helps to purify the air. Try it in a hanging basket or position it above your cabinets. And of course, growing herbs on your windowsill is perfect for the kitchen, both fun and functional. The living room is my favorite place for relaxation and rejuvenation. Interesting paint colors, wall art, area rugs, and lighting all shape this room, and a plant can be the perfect low-maintenance highlight. So the peace lily is really easy to care for and thrives in low-light locations. So it will do well on a console table or even next to a window. And the ficus would also be perfect in the living room. Just make sure it has some bright and direct light. Did you know the leaves of the ficus symbolize good fortune and abundance? I love that. It's perfect for any home. Finally, the bedroom, a place to relax and get a good night's sleep. Plants in the bedroom help to purify the air of the many toxins that we breathe. A longtime favorite for promoting serenity, the lavender plant induces sleep thanks to its natural aroma. Position it on your bedside table to decrease stress. Lavender is definitely one of my favorites. Another crowd pleaser, the philodendron, is the perfect indoor plant because it adapts to a variety of lighting and water conditions. You won't have to worry about this plant because it often thrives from being left alone. Plant a larger philodendron in a pot on the floor or a windowsill. And last but not least, I wanted to share a few tips that I've learned on my houseplant journey. Number 1, select plants based on your room's light level. This will help to ensure their success. Number 2, choose a good soil. Espoma organic potting mix is a great option that you can find at English Gardens. Number 3, keep potting soil moist but not wet. Too dry or overwatered will damage your plant's roots and could prevent further growing. Number 4, a pot with good drainage is key. And number 5, try not to move your plants around too much. Give them the time they need to acclimate to their surroundings. For more houseplant tips, check out our blog at EnglishGardens.com. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.